On July 23, 2022, officers approached a woman who was parked in a handicapped space without a handicap placard, an interaction that ended up escalating way more than it needed to.
What?
We're requesting 4331 response for a mulch fire, 581 Gate Boulevard. Inside requesting 4331 for a mulch fire.
I understand, but
I don't. Your grandma?
But my kids are gonna go to DCFS. I got a DCFS case already. So if you take me to jail, my kids are going straight to DCFS. She can't take my kids. So
Why can't she take your kids?
My grandmother has. She can't take my kids. I got infant.
4305.
I got 3 toddlers.
Don't park in a handicap spot.
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
not for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead, 581.
Ma'am, do you have someone you can call to come get her kids? Okay, who have you gotten hold of to come get the kids? I know you've made a couple of phone calls. Who have you gotten hold of?
Nobody. It's after it's on the weekend.
Okay, so it's just DCFS you're trying to get hold of?
One Hope United. It's an office and it's like.
Mine's 800, not 900.
Oh, well, my case person, she actually told me 900.
Well, she was off. It's 800. My dispatcher just told me, okay?
I mean, well, we ain't got $800. So
Okay.
I mean.
All right. How come you haven't gone to the courthouse and talked to them about your warrant?
I had court actually earlier this last month, and I didn't go to court because they were going to take me. They want to do
Excuse me.
That's what it really is.
Just hold him down. Did I just hear you say that this is because you're black?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, it is.
You want to listen to me?
Lady, how many more people are parked in handicap? Don't touch me. How many more people are parked in handicap without a handicap sticker? I didn't even go inside the store. Only not taking me to jail. Wait. You're only not taking me to jail because you don't know what the fuck you do. That's why she ain't taking me to jail.
What about the kids?
That's why she not taking me to jail. Because that means you got to figure out what's going to happen to my kids.
No. Yeah, she is so inappropriate. She is. And this has zero to do with being black.
I know.
Do you want to get this finished up, or do you want to just stand here and yell all night?
Listen, it's all right. Do your job.
Okay. I am doing my job. I'm giving you a ticket for your handicap violation. Okay? I'm not even taking you to jail.
Do your job. Take me to jail.
Take your ticket.
Take me to jail.
No.
Take me to jail.
No. Ma'am, you got kids right here.
Take me to jail.
Listen, you do not want to
go to the store.
Just because
I pulled up right here just to get some white to my granny.
She said
she's parked in handicap. I pulled right next to her car.
I'm fixing to call grandpa. Just because you don't like how something went.
I'm telling you, grandmother, you don't have to. How the I'm gonna get home? You don't make no.
Take the bus.
Take the bus.
call Grace.
You just sound stupid as
And you need to stop
I came all the way up here because I ain't got
cussing on the name.
I'm sorry, grandmother.
No, you're not.
Please leave
You're
me, man.
disrespecting me.
Grandmother, that's
You're
what I'm
making
trying to
me
tell
look
you.
really, really bad.
I'm sorry.
No.
Okay, but what she did is right, grandmother.
But she's a law.
It doesn't matter.
It does.
Fuck her bad.
Put your hands behind your back. You want to go to jail, you're going to jail.
I don't want your kids to see you in handcuffs or anything. This is not what happened.
Oh, this is white people shit.
No, it's not.
No, this is you bringing this on yourself.
I tried to catch
Kids
you.
can't come
They
to the
have to.
county.
They have no choice because that means y'all.
They're not going to county.
Yes, they are.
No, they're not.
They're not.
This is what
Then y'all gonna call DCFS.
That's why you're not listening
DCFS is
as to
coming
what.
there. That means DCFS is gonna come get my kids. My kids cannot stay here with my grandmother. They're not staying here.
So where's the kids?
What are you doing?
It doesn't matter right now what's right or wrong. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
You can't take my kids.
Please stop
She's
resisting.
not my grandmother.
Please stop
She
resisting.
cannot take my kids.
saying I'm not your grandmother?
Because they don't.
Are you saying I'm not your grandmother?
This is on camera, so I'm telling y'all that y'all are leaving my kids with a stranger.
Okay, well your grandfather's coming then. How about that?
Y'all cannot. My.
Sit down. Stop resisting. Stop. You don't try to bite me. Do not try to bite me.
Do not bite.
Do not try to bite me.
Do not. Honey! Now she's going to go for a felony charge.
Yep.
Y'all please go home because my kids are going.
I gave you that opportunity.
Ma'am, I didn't understand why you even stopped me.
How do I
You
get
didn't
this
even
started?
see you understand
Ardenay.
or not. Can I please go home?
You're past that point.
Can I please go home?
No, you had the chance. I tried to give you a chance. You refused the chance. Now you're going to jail, and now you're going to be looking at a felony charge.